Hello everybody, this video I want to show you how to restore my SD card that lost capacity come back. This one is 128 gigabyte. What you see? But when I put in my computer, put in my computer like this one capacity 128 gigabyte. If I put in my computer, it show only 31.9 gigabyte. If I lost a lot of capacity, and this is how I will restore my SD card to original back. I don't know what happened on my SD card. Let's start to try. My SD card only 31.9 gigabyte, and I make sure I want to check in my disk manage. And see a lot of the, and then main memory and down 119. I lost a lot of capacity, so I need to install one app from Google, is SD card formatter. Okay, install it. I already to download, but I look to and download folder. This app I already to install it. What you need, if you do, you need to download from Google and extract all, and then install to your computer. Okay, like this. Because I already installed, I don't know to install it again. We go to open this app. We go to open this app for format my SD card. This so try as so you make sure you try as capacity still low. This capacity is all to know. We format right now, one click already. It's all. We go to see our get it capacity back. Okay, it is too easy to do for everyone. I hope everyone can do like this. When you lost capacity on your hard disk or SD card, memory card, you can also try this. I have a file for install on description. Okay, thank you.